Hello guys and welcome to LXHub channel. Another day, another tutorial from LXHub Engineering Department. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang sa 3D printing, mahalaga maunawa ng infills for optimizing both the strength and efficiency of your prints. Infill patterns ay ang internal structure ng isang 3D printed object. Sa halip na isang buong material throughout, infill patterns create a framework inside the object. This framework affects how strong or light the 3D printed object will be, how much filament is used, and kung gaano kabilis ang total printing time. Once you have added your object and done preparing in Bambu Lab Studio, proceed to the Preview tab located on the upper left corner of the studio. Under the Process tab on the left panel settings, click on the Strength tab, scroll down until you see the Sparse Infill section. Ang sparse infill density refers to the percentage kung gaano kabuo ang internal structure ng object. 100% means solid throughout. Higher density results in stronger prints, longer printing time, and more material usage. Low density, ranging from 10 to 20%, best for decorative items or quick prototypes. The print is lighter and faster but weaker. Medium density, ranging from 30 to 40%, a good balance for most general prints that need moderate strength. High density, ranging from 50 to 100%, for prints that need to be strong and durable, like functional parts or items under stress. Simply adjust the density based on your needs. Bambu Lab Studio offers a variety of infill patterns, each with own strengths and weaknesses. Ang mga sumusunod ay ang karaniwang ginagamit na infill patterns. Gyroid, isa sa paborito at best infill pattern dahil this provides support in every direction due to its complex and curved structure. Furthermore, this is excellent for prints that need both strength and efficiency while using less material. Honeycomb, ang infill pattern na ito consists of hexagons. This is great for its mechanical resistance, making this ideal for prints that require a high strength-to-weight ratio such as mechanical parts. Cubic, ito ay isang simple infill pattern consisting of cubes stuck in different various directions. This is ideal for prints that need to be durable and withstand forces from various angles. Grid, ito ay isa sa simplest and fastest variants of infill pattern. This pattern consists of straight lines that cross each other in a grid-like structure. It is simple and commonly used for general prints. Line, isa sa mga infill pattern that doesn't feature any crossing paths in a layer. This infill pattern prints a series of straight lines inside the object, usually laid down in one direction at an acute angle. For strong, durable prints, use gyroid, honeycomb, or cubic. For fast and lightweight prints, try grid or line. For balanced prints naman, experiment with the density settings to find the right balance for your project. Dito na nagtatapos ang tutorial. Thank you for watching. To learn more, subscribe to LXHub channel and see you in the next tutorial.